Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue number 32 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds, folks. Now, if you would like to grab one of these, build along with me, click this link all the way along there. Bing, just like that. That'll take you over to the Fanhome website, and you can then start your very own subscription to this beautiful 1/8 scale Mustang. You know you want it, folks. So, part 32 is what we're going to be doing today. Now, if you remember rightly, we finished the last episode with this lot. And all of that lot. So, yeah, that's what we've got. So, when it's facing the right way up, like so, the tyre will be going round as it should, like that direction of travel. So that's what we've got. And what we're up to today is we're putting the wheel arch liner in. Nice simple episode this today, literally a few screws. You can't go wrong with this one. So we're going to be getting the liner, which is there, just off shot. And that will be fitting over the rear wheel that we fitted in the last issue. We're going to want some DS02 screws for this, which we'll open up in a minute. And then we'll be going through the assembly and we'll end up with literally that piece there with a wheel arch on it. That's what we're going to end up with, folks. Really, really nice, easy episode this week. So I'll just quickly open the screws like so. Now I tend to keep these on shot or on the bench as I'm using them so that I can know, especially if you've got 3 or 4 different types, I'll have them by their packet so that I can easily spot where they're going and what they're supposed to be. Got my usual obligatory oil just off shot there. And it's a little applicator and also my magnetic screwdriver that I use. So let's start putting this wheel arch on. So you're going to end up with the piece you had from the previous episode. Rest that on your bench so that it doesn't want to fall off. And in these, I've got quite a nice deep recess in them to align the pegs in. See it? I've got 3 of them. And they'll go straight over 1, 2, 3 pins. Pretty much like so. So we're just going to click that in place, and it is a really good fit, as you can see, which enables me then to put a little bit of oil on these screws and start putting this together. I'm going to do the centre screw first. I shall do my usual thing. I shall put a couple of turns on it and then go around and do the others. All I want to do at the moment is fix it in place, but a slight resistance fit, and then I can go around and tighten everything down at the end of the episode. Another bit of oil on there, so we'll do that one. Try and stop myself shaking. There you go. And then do the same on this one. There you go. Little screw on there, and then like that, and then we can give it a grippage now and start tightening these up. So if I do that one, same on this one, and then the same on there. Trying to get this on shot now that it's growing quite large, yeah, is a challenge, but apologies, but I will do what I can to keep it central for you. There you go. So that's that in place. That will then shield the wheel from any potential issues. But already, yeah, that's beginning just to start dressing up the underside of this, the rear chassis of the car. Look at that. See? Yeah, I'm liking that. And again, as usual with the Fanhome part works, everything really does seem to fit together really, really nicely. And you see what I mean about what I did with the brakes there. It's just dressed that up nicely where you can see a bit of the red caliper. And the same through the wheel there. You can just pick it up. And for me, that's just, yeah, it just looks nice. Same with the vented discs. So, yeah, happy days. So that's what you'll have at the end of your issue, folks. You're going to have your wheel on. You're going to have your wheel arch in place there. Just to dress that section up, folks. So, remember, if you would like to build your very own Eleanor along with me, head over to the Fanhome site, just there. Bosh. Head over there, go in, subscribe, have a looky-loo, so that you can see what you get, what you're looking at, and all of that. And you will be building one of these with me, because, yeah, as soon as you see it, and as soon as you see what the subscription's all about, you're going to want one, folks. So treat yourself at the end of the day. You work hard. You work hard all year round. So go and treat yourself to one of these. It makes sense, doesn't it? Until the next issue, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.